Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Oak Lake, Manitoba. This small, peaceful community is found in the southwestern part of the province, about halfway between Brandon and Virden. It sits along the Trans-Canada Highway and is named after the nearby Oak Lake, a large, shallow body of water surrounded by open fields and tall trees. Long ago, this area was home to Indigenous peoples who hunted and fished around the lake. Later, settlers arrived, drawn by the rich farmland and easy access to water. Today, Oak Lake is a quiet town with friendly people and a strong farming history. It's a popular spot for travelers passing through and for families who come to enjoy the nearby Oak Lake Beach and Provincial Park. In the summer, people visit the lake for swimming, boating, and fishing, while the nearby parks offer camping and picnicking. The community is proud of its small town charm, peaceful streets, and beautiful sunsets over the prairie fields. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Oak Lake, Manitoba.